Alright mga boss, we are in Alviera, Porac, Pampanga. I'll be meeting with Sir Rex. Okay, ito yung kanilang visitors area. Yes sir! Hello! We have discussed this before. And this is the whole Alviera, right?
Yes.
That is 1,800 almost square meters.
1,800 hectares.
Hectares, I mean hectares. Okay. Now, it has like four sectors. Okay, so where is the east side?
The east side is ito.
So east side is composed of?
Yeah, we have the Industrial Park Phase 1, Industrial Park Phase 2. We have here Ateneo, hopefully.
Hopefully, Ateneo University.
And adjacent to it is another commercial block. We call it East Commercial.
Okay.
This allocation is Alveo Projects. We have here
Alveo Projects. What do you mean by that?
We have here the brand.
Okay, the brand.
We have here the Corbia. We have here the Greenways. We have here, but that's already sold out. Corbia and Greenways is already sold out. What we have here under the Alveo brand is Versala.
Versala.
Okay.
These are residential areas,
residential.
right? Okay.
This one is the Abida sector. We have the Northdale project. Here we have the Greendale project. And we opened the Vermont project. That's Abida.
So how is this different from this one?
Well, it's a brand of Ayala. When you say Abida, it's the middle market brand. When you say Alveo, it's the upscale brand.
Upscale.
So, which means the lots are bigger.
Bigger and higher priced.
A little expensive, yes.
Yeah.
Than the middle market brand.
So what are the cuts here?
Usually, the cuts for the middle market is 150 to 300.
All right.
The upscale brand is usually 300 to 600.
300 to 600. Okay.
So here, this will be another sector. This is the economic sector of Ayala, the Amaya brand. So we have here, this is the townhouse type of
townhouse type. So is it open already?
No, not yet. Maybe
you have
next
idea
year.
Of how much will it be?
Well,
be
the townhouse
offered?
will be siguro 4 to 5 million. And then there will be a school here. There will be a plaza. There will be commercial district also here. This is the city center. Parang yan yung
bustling. And
okay.
Community.
Yeah. So what we sell here are commercial lots.
All of that are commercial lots.
If you want to build building, no? If you're into what your business is, schools or hospital or
so
that's Miriam. And
so that is what you see when you pass by SCTEX.
So here is the La Salle Botanical Garden. It's a world-class
botanical garden,
just like in Singapore and UK. So we just started groundbreak last month. So hopefully in 2 years' time that is already operational. This is the Ayala Land Premier brand. This is the AAA brand.
AAA. When you say AAA,
that's 1,000 above cuts.
Residential. High end.
Yes.
All right. So it's like having an overlooking or hillside lots, no?
All
right.
So
this land is overlooking that greeneries there, right?
Kind of, yes.
Okay.
So, but the whole Alviera is
mataas.
So, in fact, from Alviera, you can on sunny days you can see San Fernando, Bacolor area from Alviera.
From Alviera.
So
And here is the upscale.
This is the first Albeo brand, and there will be other developments here in the west side. That is the west side.
Yes. So this is the west side.
So we have lined up lots of tourism-related
Spots
developments
here.
Alright. Here.
So dito may mga parang camping site,
Okay.
right?
And that is the port sector, the green belt. We call it Albiera Green Belt.
So green belt from
Dito,
here
from
spanning hanggang doon. All right.
So imagine Albiera, say 50 years from now, 100 years from now, it's bustling community, but
This one is preserved.
Preserved.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
preserved.
How big is this green area?
I think 200 plus hectare.
Oh, quite big.
Uh,
And this one, there's no development yet here.
yeah, there are in the future there will be.
There will be. And how about this one, sir?
Yeah, future development.
Is there another, main highway to be connected sa Albiera, like intersection or future projects like railways, whatever?
In the future, the Subic, Manila, Batangas rail will pass through.
There.
There will be a station here from Subic
Okay.
going to Clark and then to Manila and Batangas. There will be a station here.
Train station. All right. Oh, nice, no?
So, going to Albiera also from the old road, this is the Angeles Porac Road. So you can access that kami from Angeles. We just take this one.
All right.
But of course, better to take SCTEX.
SCTEX if you're coming from Metro Manila. May mga factories na akong nakita or manufacturing
that's
firm.
already nag-build na. That is already sold out. So they are on the process of building na the factories. It was just delayed up nung pandemic. But of course, that was already supposed to be.
And this whole project, how much does it cost for the Ayala land to build from now on until the future?
For this is around 100 billion.
100 billion, and as of the moment, they only poured like how many? Like 22 billion already?
No, I think even lower.
Even lower.
Maybe.
So there's a lot of room to.
Develop.
So while it's being developed, of course, the land appreciates, right?
The lowest price lot in the Abida brand is 4.2 million.
And that is around like 125
square meters.
meters.
Yeah.
And
that is you can get it through installment.
Bank financing.
Bank financing. And there's a big discount that we offer right
For cash
now.
buyers.
Yes. Even installment buyer.
Okay.
We
Property.
started here at 10,000 per square.
And now?
It's for the Abida brand, it's 32,000 per square.
In a matter of 10 years?
10 years. And for the Albeo brand, it is as high as 50,000 even. Clark is being developed as like Singapore. So you would want to be near Clark to enjoy what Clark can offer. No?
So Clark is how many minutes away from here?
From the
15 minutes?
Exit here to the exit ng Clark is just 7 minutes.
7 minutes lang.
So
by the way, this is the visitors area, no? Yan. So kapag mag-i-inquire kayo ng property dito sa Albiera, dito po kayo pupunta. Ang concept po kasi ng Albiera is lifestyle, modern amenities, no? And yet very close to nature. Ito, according kay Sir, ito will be preserved. No? Hindi nila tatanggalin yung green area na yan. Kahit magkaroon ng bustling communities dito 100 years from now, this one will be preserved. So it will be here, as long as the earth exists.